Hey guys, baby, what up? Oh shoot, you want to see this? Hey, what's going on, guys? James here. So I'm doing a game called Flappy Bird. So I really want to apologize that I had not uploaded videos today because I'm sick. I've been doing some bad things. I'm doing good things. I'm doing fine, guys. I'm a little bit better, but so I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know. But next time, let me know, guys. I'll do some game uploading. Promise. Trust me. So anyway, guys, I'm back. But yeah, so anyway, we're gonna do some reacting called we're gonna do some game called the Flappy Bird. So those of you guys have played it before. So go ahead, go to the App Store, buy some whatever you need, do whatever you guys want. So let's get it started. Ah, man, I was gonna say that again. Oh shoot. Ah. God. Oh, I got 4. Hang on, guys. Oh man, I was gonna win, but I can't. Ah. Oh, this is ridiculous, bro. It was a pretty good game, but I had to play. Oh fuck. Look at this kid. I love him so much. Ah, man. Come on. I hate this. Come on, man. Oh fuck, dude. Oh, oh, oh! I don't want to say that word. Ah, come on, damn it. Ah, I gotta make it. If I can't make it, guys, that's alright. Dang, I got into it. Let's see. Shoot, man, I was gonna react it. Alright, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey, cause you think you can suck your dick? Oh, shoot, I don't want to say that D word. I didn't mean to say the D word. Ooh. Sorry, guys. If I have to say that, don't. Alright, sorry, guys. Anyway, let's just get started. I was telling you guys about that. When I started to make those videos, that if you guys want it, let me know if I write a comment. If I wanted to do it for you guys. So, if there's something wrong, then you come tell me. Like, if it's top secret. But, anyway, you started to talk like that. I was gonna say that, but dude, cause some lyrics they have cool stuff like that. So if you guys don't want to do that, some good things. But anyway, it's kind of cool, but it's not like things that going on. Because by the way, if you guys wanted to do it, but apparently, cause they don't even care. But for some reason they don't. Well, usually they have cool stuff. Oh, I quit. Okay. Alright, guys, that was a good game. I would like the game called The Angry Birds is not like Angry Bird. It's Flappy Bird game. So the Floppy Bird. So if you guys liked the comment, links below in the description. Hope you guys liked it. So peace out. I'll see you guys next time. Alright? Peace. Yeah, anyway, it's kinda cool.